The thing is, when I joined the race, I don't see many female riders. Probably 15 to 20 female riders each race. Where are they? Mountain biking, it's not popular for female? They don't like to race? Where the heck are they? So I found a race. 400 women sign up for the race in a day. What's the race it's gonna be? Let's check it out. This race locates in Squamish, just 1 hour north from Vancouver. First of all, this is women's only race. We don't like men chasing after our butts. And as you can see, people wear costumes. It's more fun, right? Now it's 8:20 in the morning.
Good morning, ladies! Have a great day.
Our race has begun. Now, Amelie and I are going up with those twin sisters. It's not only female riders,
Nice costume.
but also men volunteers are cosplaying.
You're allowed one.
And they give us candy! Get my adrenaline going!
Okay.
Bye-bye. My race has begun! So this is a women's only race. I joined this race because there are hot guys cheering us up, and hot guy give us a massage. Okay, focusing on the trail. So dry, so really slippery. Okay, that was close. Whee!
Number 9.
How was it?
I mean, it feels early.
Yeah.
I'm not processing very well in the morning.
No. Those trails are not too difficult nor technical. Even there is an optional to go easy trail. So there are two options. One is leave of absence and one is Rupert. And other girls are doing leave of absence, so by myself going up Rupert. Let's go.
Where's World? Where's World?
Riding a bike is just like dancing on the stage.
Have fun.
Thank you. Oh, where? Almost. Okay. Nice. Done?
Yeah, you're done.
Nice. Thank you. Okay.
Nice job.
Now we are at the food station. I feel like we're getting lost in Bizarre World. Nice spot, ladies. And we got more food sections. They serve us strawberry, whipping cream, and bacon. Great combination. They know exactly what we need. Since we are bored with pedaling, a little entertainment is here. Limbo! We don't care about going back and forth, it's extra work, as long as it's fun.
The record right now is 7.
We have to beat the 7.
Record.
We forgot about the race anymore. Wow, it's so low. So low.
That was a tie for the lead.
Okay,
What's
try
your number?
8.
It
Okay.
is tough.
Oh, my hand is
Yeah.
actually touching. And here comes Omari. Challenge for the record. Oh! Nice!
I cannot go lower than that.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Good work.
Wanna go? Thanks.
All right, ladies. Have a good rest of the race.
This is not about the race by now. This is about how much fun you can have throughout the race. Yes, thank you very much.
No problem.
The angry midget, that's this one. He's green with envy.
Yeah. Does it has alcohol?
No.
Oh, okay. Are you getting massage?
Time for business. Time for work. Get to work, Kevin.
I'm just so impressed to see how much volunteers are also into the race. Who want to take your clothes off and being cold and eaten by mosquitoes? Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Are you bullet? Oh my god, it's risky. Hello. This way. Next. Oh. Done? Okay. Okay, shall we finish? Okay. Bye bye. Slippery. Yes.
Ripping.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah, it's a long stage.
That's long. My back's sore. Nice. We finished the race. Cheers. But it's not over yet. This may be our main event. We all dress up and put makeup on.
My jockeys, the horses.
This was the race.
Halloween coming at ya.
400 women looking forward to joining every year. Meet new friends, get dirty together, and laugh together. In the end, we get to be princess again. We started the race at 8:30 in the morning, and this party goes on until midnight. What a bizarre world! Oh yeah! In the beginning, it's so sensitive, but it's good.
Your voice is like.